Right, we're going to cross over now, so this could be part 2 of the video. So, not many not many lights, to get across. I'm going to risk it, and then I'll show you from this side. Oh, there's a van, but if I'm quick, I'm going to show you from this side how big it actually is, because it is crazy. Right, you ready? So there's the road. It goes all the way along, up, all to the way to the top, and then down. Well, yeah, you would definitely not get me on that. Right, let me just cross over. I don't want to get run over by a tram, like in Coronation Street. I'll show you the beach, and then I'm going to head back towards the tower. This is more the quieter side, even though it's aimed towards families. But at this time of year, it's very quiet. There we go, it's going up now. This is a better view. You would definitely not get me on that. But it's nice to watch people. And you see them right in the centre. Is it going up? Maybe. Yep. Legs in the air. I think that's a different one actually. That is a different. Yeah, it's a blue one. The other one's a red one. God, it makes me dizzy just looking at it. We're all watching as well. Alright guys, let's continue. So if you want to go on a pleasure beach, get yourself there and have fun, because I'm certainly not going on it. I think the tide's out actually. Let's just quickly look, yeah. But there's some steps down here. I'll show you the beach. I'm really sorry if it's really tinny, the sound. I'm not using the microphone, and it's not the best microphone. I think I have to be quite far away from the microphone. That could be a little bit better. Actually, a plane going over. So we'll have a little walk around the beach. Some steps down here. And don't forget to also follow other YouTubers. My favourite ones are Visit Far Coast, who does a lot of videos from Cleveland and Blackpool. Follow her. Follow Stephen, who is a walk on the wild side, and then obviously there's the McMaster as well. So they're the three who I watch. There are others. There's a lot of others in Blackpool, but they're the ones that I mainly follow, who visit Blackpool. So yeah, this is really nice. There's loads of hotels on the bottom. There's hotels all the way along in Blackpool. But I think some of the more modern ones are down this side now. Whilst the grander ones, which are older hotels, are much further north. That's how I've always seen it. A lot of the hotels on this side, at the south side, are having a lot of refurbishments and done over the last 10 years. So there's the South Pier. and I'll just show the view. It's stunning. Here's where all the water comes in when it's high tide. I remember watching a video about a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago. There was a car, I think, on this beach, and I remember they had to remove the car. Right, here we go. Onto the beach. It is very, very quiet. There's a tractor coming down. I don't know which way he's going, so he's going down there. Look, that's one of the beach patrols. See that also glitter ball right at the very bottom? Well, that's now St Anne's. You can walk even further down there and see that, like a giant ball. This is nice. If you nothing better than the beach, or walking on the beach. We'll go under the pier. These videos may be in parts because of my video camera. It only saves after just under 10 minutes, which is better actually, because to upload these files can take a long time. So go and watch the next part after this and the one before it if you haven't seen it already. It's actually really nice as well today. It's not too cold. There's a little bit of a breeze, but it's not a cold breeze today. It's quite a mild breeze. When that wind drops, it does actually feel warmer. Next week we'll be busy for the bank holiday. Can I say it's quite an ugly building, isn't it? Really, just sat there. I might have to just go across here. I don't know if I can get across because of all the water. Well, is it water or is it sewage? Probably a bit of both. Seagulls are enjoying it. There's a seagull down here. So these videos will be some of the last videos from Blackpool, because I do go home on Friday. I might be able to do a video tomorrow. It's crazy how long it is since I visited Blackpool. I come for the day, but I've not actually stayed in Blackpool for over 10 years. Just going to go up here a little bit where it's a bit drier. But yeah, if you enjoy, I will be going to other places. I'm going to Cleethorpes next month, so we'll be doing some videos there. So don't forget to subscribe. And then I'm heading to my favourite place where I do a lot of videos, and I know the area very well, is Filey and Scarborough. Look how they're all just sat on there looking at the step. Hopefully they won't attack me. The thing with Filey and Scarborough is they don't have these types of seats. It's always weird for me to think I could just walk on them instead of the beach. Look at them all just sat there waiting. Always moving. Let's walk on here. That's a bit better. So this is South Pier. Remember, you can always search for